Hi, today I'm going to have a go on the scroll saw.
Put a little bit more on. Make sure it's reasonably well covered. That'll do. Yeah. And just gently sort of flat it out with your hand so it's flat. That's it. Wonderful. Start on the pull. That's it. You might have to do 2 or 3 little pulls to get a good start.
It's a better height for me.
Powered up, I think.
Can we turn the speed down a bit?
Speed down, yeah.
Thank you.
Now you'll find, because you're going that slow, that it might bite and start vibrating. But what you need to do is, don't be frightened of getting your fingers close to the blade. That's where you need to just gently put a bit of, almost just your hand weight on it to hold it down. Right, and then you need to sort of guide it in and control it. I have to put my fingers right up here. Right. Now you're just touching that line, nice and steady, just a very gentle push. And you see how it's going around the corner? Because I'm actually rotating it. Now we're going a bit too far, so we'll just turn it around the other way a little bit. That's it. Now put your hand here, you need to put your hand here, because see how it's wobbling, look, you need to steady it with your hands. Alright? Off you go then, don't forget, any worries, stop, switch it off, and I'll...
Can you help me with the corner?
Yeah. That's only the paper coming off, that glue's not.
Can you do that bit?
Yeah. What was it like then to have a go on the scroll saw for the first time?
It was a bit scary.
Let's have a look then what you've done. That's not bad, it wants a little bit of sanding. We can sand up to the edges. And what are you going to do with it? You're going to paint it?
Yeah.
Right, we'll get the sander out then.
Now it looks like a proper heart.
So what are you going to do with it now?
I'm going to be painting it
Right, okay.
with this colour.
What colour is that?
It's red. But they're
Glitter. Glitter dust.
It's fairly dry now, so I'm going to put the text on.
So have a look, man. Turn it round to the camera. Hey.
Now I'm going to wait for that to dry a bit.
Okie dokie. Drill a hole, a little one there.
There.
Right, so you go up, up. There, about there. Right. Pull trigger, steady it. Right, pull trigger. Have to put it on slow. Right, pull trigger. And then keep it pulled while you withdraw, that's it. Otherwise what tends to happen is it can get stuck. Right. And your doodad needs to be sticking that way. Right, so if you screw it down now.
I don't know how much I have to do it in.
That much. Right, and then you got your doodad in for your string. Right.
Okay.
And I'll put these away. Make sure it's nice and tight, because otherwise, if you cut it off, and then it moves because you're not quite tight. Right, and then you can use my super duper Swiss Army scissors. I only cut one at a time, but it's only little scissors.
Oops.
That's it.
Well, it's very nice, and I'm glad that I've finished it. It was quite scary using the scroll saw at first, but then I got the hang of it, and I really love it. So thanks for watching. Bye!